Guys, welcome back to Mr. Fix's channel, the long-awaited final video of the Toro Timecutter rebuild series. So here it is, guys. Finally all done, put together, repainted, completely rebuilt, serviced, and ready to go to a new home. So yeah, this unit is actually already sold. I've been waiting. Well, the guy been waiting for me to do my final video so I can actually deliver it. But yeah, this unit's already been sold. So this is it. This is how it looks, completely redone. So wheels got repainted. We did the whole deck rebuild. That was all stripped down, acid treated. New bearings in the spindles. New shafts. Actually, no, I lied about that. No, we just did the bearings and we did new blades, new grass chute. Had to do new bushings for the front casters. Had to do new starter solenoid, new battery. What else we did? Basically service the engine, so all new filters, oil filter, air filter, fuel filter, fresh oil, and yeah, that's about it. And then again, had to repaint pretty much the whole frame because the deck, when I was done with the deck just looked way too nice, so compared to the actual frame. So I end up repainting the frame, painted the wheels, new decals. After repainted everything, I had to do new decals. So yeah, basically all done, rebuilt, looking like new, cuts like new, runs like new. And yeah, here's the breakdown of everything. So this is the list of all the stuff that I had to buy. So first on the list is gonna be all the stuff that I went and got from Toro. So the deflector, the grass deflector, the grass chute, whatever you want to call it, that plastic piece was $47.10 before tax. My idler pulleys for the deck, I had to replace both of those, which is real common on all time cutters, and not even on time cutters, Titans, and even some of the Z Masters. All the idler pulleys, they just go bad eventually. They just go bad more often on the time cutters. But those pulleys, the idler pulleys, they're $29.67 each at my Toro dealership. The spindle bearings, there's 2 per spindle, so they're $10.59 each. So solenoid, starter solenoid was $36. Yeah, the prices on the side are my prices. I get a discount, so I'm giving you the actual list price. And then the blades, high lift Toro blades, those were $25.43. Then we move on to the decals. The decals, I have one decal was $2.82. Then we got one for $6.94. And then we move on to some other decals. Oh, this was the bushings for the front casters of $14.87. Then some more decals. I guess this is the front and rear decal. Is $8. Why this thing is not zooming, I don't know, but it's $8.46. And then the stuff that is not on here was all the filters that I bought: the air filter, fuel filter, oil filter, then the oil. All that was roughly about 60. I'm rounding those numbers up because I don't have that receipt. I couldn't find it, but it's roughly about $60 for all that. The battery was $40. And what else? And I added about $100 for the paint materials, for the sandpapers, for the primer, and for all the acid, all the stuff I had to use, the brushes. So just rounded up to an even $100 for all that materials and paint. So basically my grand total, purchased the mower for $400. The mower, original purchase price of the mower was $400, and then my total, it comes up to $900. So $500 I got in rebuilding it, roughly. I'm not counting the taxes. So roughly $500 is what it cost me to put this thing back together, get it running and looking like new again. And my total cost in the mower is $900. So compare that to the price of buying a brand new one right now, where the prices, I know they've raised the price since I bought this thing. I know my local Toro dealer, when I get the parts, they've already raised the prices on mowers, I think twice. So this unit, I think right now they're about like 2,800 or $3,000, something like that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're $3,000. I think the stamp deck is like $3,000 or $31.99, something like that. And then if you want the 42-inch time cutter with the welded deck, I think those are like $36.99 or $35.99, something like that. So yeah, compare that to my $900 total investment into this. That's a steal. I mean, you cannot touch anything for that kind of price. At least not a zero turn in this condition. So this is definitely a good investment. And yes, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, the unit is already sold, and it's actually sold for $2,400. So that's a nice little profit that I just made on this mower. I'm happy with it. The customer's happy. So he's saving some money. Like I said, if he's to buy it new, he's looking at spending another like $600-700 at least more than what I'm charging him, and then you add the tax on top of that, so he's almost close to another grand. Like he's like 900 or something with when it comes up with the taxes, what he's going to be paying. So $800-900 more is what it's going to cost him to buy a brand new one. Yeah, granted, you're going to get the 3-year warranty and all that, but still $800-900, it's $800-900. I mean, especially in today's economy, yeah, if you can save that money, you better go ahead and save that money, because you're going to need it. If not for anything but for gas. Oh man, I'm laughing, but I'm actually crying on the inside, because I'm driving SUVs, and one of my SUVs is actually a diesel SUV. And yeah, price of diesel sucks. So anyway, back to the mower. I forgot to mention how many hours. I try to kind of guesstimate what I got into it, because it was on and off project. It was a little side project. So I rounded it to about 18 hours of labor. Like if I was just hitting it straight, non-stop work, I'm looking at 18 hours probably what I got into this thing. So yeah, again, not bad. I mean, if you're doing it like I do it, that I flip mowers on the side, then yeah, it's definitely worth it. Or if you're doing it for yourself, if you're doing it for a customer, I seriously doubt it that somebody's going to pay you for 18 hours of labor to restore their mower, because depending on what you charge, that's going to be up there and in the price. But yeah, I mean, that being said, this is it. This is how it looks like. That's my total cost. Like I said, sold for $2,400. I got $900 in it. Pretty good day. I'm pretty happy. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. I know I've been kind of slacking. I haven't been uploading, but that should change soon. Weather's been crazy. I actually wanted to take this video and make it outside, but the weather is just not permitting me. It's just been crazy hot. Like everybody knows, it's got this heat wave going around the country. So yeah, basically that's gonna be it for the final video. If you like it, please hit the like button for me. Hit the subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what other content you would like to see on my channel. Should I continue with the mower content? Should I add more vehicle content like my trucks and my car projects, and we got some cars that's buried over here. We got some other projects that just came in. Yeah, the shop is a mess. I know I haven't had the time to clean it up. Should I be adding some 2-cycle stuff? Yeah, drop a comment down below if I should be dropping some 2-cycle stuff. I kind of hate working on 2 cycles, but well, yeah, one of my contracts I'm kind of stuck with taking 2 cycles now, part of my wholesale thing. So anyway, I've been rambling off, but yeah, again, thank you for watching. Thanks for all the support. Stay tuned for more videos, and yeah, again, don't forget to hit that like button for me. It helps out a lot, and stay safe and be blessed. Catch you in the next video.